It's time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts Jeff Dorsey and Sherry Bussey, presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
And good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marry Me Monday for this Monday, the final full day of winter.
Good.
Yay!
I'm done with it.
Yeah, I think everybody's done with it. Sherry Bussey's alongside, and you're going to turn this into a spring event for your store, aren't you?
Yes, it is. It's time for spring cleaning, everybody. So go to your jewelry box and see if there's something in there that you don't wear anymore and you want to get rid of. We do buy old gold if you want to get something fixed up and cleaned and polished. We don't ever charge to clean your jewelry. And so come in, get it cleaned and polished up, and we check it. We always check it, make sure the prongs are tight and good and heavy for you to wear your rings so that you don't lose any stones when we clean it. And so if we find anything that needs repaired, we're offering a discount on repairs right now. So in honor of spring cleaning from the 20th through the end of the month, we'll be offering a discount on repairs.
Perfect. And maybe you broke your glasses on St. Patty's Day. You can fix those too, right?
Yes, we can. Yeah, we have a laser welder, and a lot of places in the past have tried to repair glasses for people with a torch, and it burns off the finish and makes them look bad, and it's hard to do. But with a laser welder, you can hold the eyeglasses together underneath the laser welder with your fingers in position, and then just zap it with the laser welder. And so it's in the proper position, and it's a very small blast of heat, so it doesn't ruin the looks of your glasses. If you do have metal frames that have broken nose piece or bridge, we can fix that for you.
Okay.
So
few people know that, really.
They think, what am I going to do?
Yeah.
So
because you need those, don't
Emerald
you?
City Jewelers does it.
Perfect. And any of your jewelry that needs to repair, that bring it in and you'll take care of it, especially now with the spring cleaning.
Right, and it doesn't matter where you bought it or where it came from or how long you've had it. And if you've been told it can't be repaired, bring it to us because very often it's repairable. Only you just have to go to the right jeweler to do it.
All right.
So we do offer also appraisal services if you're looking at your insurance and your premiums coming up and you need to make sure every 2 years or so you need to look at your appraised value of your jewelry and make sure it's covered for enough so that if you do have a loss, it's adequately covered.
Sure.
So we do the updates at Emerald City Jewelers too.
And you should insure your jewelry too.
Yes, you should. I mean, some insurance companies pay for repair. So if you have a policy that covers your jewelry, you might be able to have them pay for your repair if you need repair on it. So.
And you're more apt to wear it too.
Yeah.
When you know it's
wear
insured.
it, enjoy it, don't worry about it.
Yeah. Perfect.
It's insured.
All right, want to get the story?
Yes.
It says here, I hope I'm not too late for you to use this on Marry Me Monday. I've attended Saturday's St. Patrick's Parade in Quincy, and I felt compelled to email you my story. 5 years ago, I was asked to be in the parade walking with several other employees with our entry. We all wore our green, but little did I know that the luck of the Irish that day was going to be bestowed upon me. I am of Irish descent, and I am proud of it, but I was single until my 30s and was wondering if I would always going to remain so that way. That all changed when the pot of gold blonde guy walking in the entry in front of us kept looking back at us. At first, I thought he was looking at one of the other girls, but once the parade ended, I found out he was interested in me. Oh, I saw him too up in front of us, but I never thought that he and I would ever end up dating and enjoying each other's company. But we have, and so much so that he proposed to me in October of last year. We're planning a wedding in September. By the way, in case if you're wondering, he is not Irish, but is on St. Patrick's Day like everybody else is.
Everybody's Irish on St. Patrick's Day.
And I enjoy your stories each week. So thanks for submitting the story. We appreciate that. And you, too, can send a story that we might use on our program. If we do, you get a nice gift certificate from Emerald City Jewelers, as well as a Marry Me Monday T-shirt, like this person will get as well. All right, Sherry Bussey, when are you open?
I'm open Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 5:30, Saturdays 9:30 to 3, and Sundays by appointment.
People don't care when you're open if they don't know where you're at either.
We're open at the corner. We're at the corner of 33rd and Broadway under the Emerald Green roof.
Okay,
Yes.
So now you know when they're open and you know where they're located.
Yeah.
The other thing they need to know is that you...
Gift wrap.
There you go. It's perfect. Stop by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway. Good to see you again. We'll see you next week, okay?
Yes, absolutely.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday, 7:25, for another exciting edition of Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.